Welcome to Pont Neuf Studio. My name is Kristen and today I will be showing you how to make this wristlet strap. A pattern link that includes a picture tutorial is in the description box below. You need worsted weight cotton yarn, a 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors, darning needle, and a swivel clasp. If you would like, you can also add on an ultra suede tag. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 5. We will be working into the back bumps of your chain. This is the front. Flip it over, and those back bumps are what you will work single crochet stitches into. Work 1 single crochet in each bump across for a total of 4 stitches. Your first row is now complete. Chain 1 and turn your work. We will now be working into the back loop only and the chain below that is right next to the slip knot. Single crochet through both. To break it down into steps, insert your hook into the back loop only, insert your hook into the chain below, yarn over, pull through, so you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through again. This variation of single crochet, where you work through the back loop only and the unworked front loop below, is called the thermal stitch. Continue across your row for a total of 4 stitches. Chain 1 and turn to start your next row. For this row, we will be doing the same thing. Insert your hook into the back loop only, insert your hook into the unworked front loop from the row below, and single crochet through both. Continue across for a total of 4 stitches. Your second row is now complete. Continue working thermal stitch rows until you have 10.5 inches in length. Pause your video and I will meet you back to show you how to do the last thermal stitch row to complete this portion of your wristlet strap. For your last row of thermal stitches, chain 1 and turn. You will now work through both the front and back loop as well as the unworked front loop below. Work your way across into each stitch for a total of 4 stitches. Fold your first row up to your last row. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet through both ends by inserting your hook under the front and back loop as well as the chain. Continue across for a total of 4 single crochet stitches. We will now finish off the crocheted portion of your strap with 5 rows of single crochet. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet into each stitch across for a total of 4 stitches. Pause your video and meet me back once you've finished your 5th single crochet row. Once your 5 rows are complete, cut your yarn, leaving about an 8-inch tail. Pull your yarn through and slide your keychain clasp over the top. Thread your yarn through your darning needle. Sew both ends together by going back and forth 2 times. Once you've completed your sewn stitches, weave in your ends and cut your tails. As a finishing touch, I like to sew on an ultra suede tag. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials.